नहीं है
Recording in progress.
Hello. Wait.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mother Mohan.
చాలా రోజులకి సార్
Hello. Good morning. Very good morning.
చాలా
Wait,
రోజులకి క్లాస్
చాలా రోజులకి వచ్చారు కదా మదన్ మోహన్ గారు.
అవును, మీరు అలాగే వచ్చారు, నేను అలాగే వచ్చాను.
Wait. Today is our topic. I will share. Transportation of hazardous substances or materials. This is the important essay for this is due to transportation of hazardous substances అంటే ప్రమాదకర పదార్థాలు రవాణా transportation due to this is the very important essay for 10 marks. This is very important essay for 10 marks in IS 105 fifth paper hazardous material transportation rules. This is the very important for question for 10 marks. Due to unprecedented growth of chemical industry, the proportion of hazardous chemicals in total freight traffic increase at rapid rate. Of the carriers that carry hazard goods, approximately 2/3 of that carrying a flammable petroleum products, including kerosene, petroleum, LPG, naphtha, etc. The movement of such substances is more prone to accident than the movement of other goods when involved. When involved in a road accident may cause disastrous consequences like fire, explosion, injuries, in addition to property loss and environment pollution. This is the introduction. Transport of hazardous. రసాయన పరిశ్రమల యొక్క అపరూపమైన పెరుగుదల కారణం మొత్తం సరుకు రవాణా ప్రమాదకర రసాయనాల నిష్పత్తి వేగంగా పెరుగుతుంది. ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు తీసుకుని వెళ్ళే క్యారియర్లో రెండింటి వంతులు కిరోసిన్, పెట్రోల్, ఎల్పిజి, నాఫ్తా వంటి మంటలు గల పెట్రోలియం ఉత్పత్తులను తీసుకువెళ్తారు. ఇతర వస్తువులు కదలిక కంటే ఇటువంటి పదార్థాల కదలిక ప్రమాదానికి గురయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ when involved in a road accident may cause a disastrous consequence like fire, explosion, injuries in addition to property loss and government pollution. Bhopal tragedy. In Bhopal tragedy of 1984 was followed by various administration and legislation measures to revise and improve the overall safety conditions in various industries, especially dealing with the hazardous chemicals. In 1948, in 1948 was a Bhopal tragedy, was followed by various administration and legislation measures to improve the overall health safety conditions in industries dealing the hazardous chemicals. Several changes. The safety code and safety requirements to be followed in the transportation hazard materials are laid in a central motor vehicle rules. These are the safety codes and safety requirements are to be measured and implemented to the transportation of hazardous materials are led in a central motor vehicles. అంటే ప్రమాదకర పదార్థాలను రవాణాలో అనుసరించే భద్రత సాంకేతిక మరియు భద్రత సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ అవసరాలకు మోటార్ వెహికల్ వాహనాల నిబంధనలు పేర్కొన్నారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద యాక్ట్ ఇన్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ సెంట్రల్ మోటార్ వెహికల్ యాక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రీన్. This is the transportation of goods or dangerous nature. Transportation of goods of dangerous or hazardous nature. అంటే ప్రమాదకరమైన లేదా ప్రమాదకర స్వభావం యొక్క వస్తువులు రావాలి. Every goods carrying dangerous carrying dangerous of hazardous goods shall display a distinction mark of the class label appropriate to the type of dangerous or hazardous goods. Every goods carry a danger of hazardous goods shall display distinction mark of the labeled appropriate to the type of dangerous hazard. అంటే ప్రమాదకరమైన లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు మోసే ప్రతి వస్తువులో గ్యారేజ్ ప్రమాదకరం లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు రకానికి తగినంత తరగతి లేబుల్స్ అంటే క్లాసిబుల్ లేబుల్స్ ప్రత్యేకమైన గుర్తును ప్రదర్శిస్తుంది. అంటే ఇండికేట్ లేబుల్స్ ఇన్ కేస్ every package containing dangerous of hazardous goods shall display the distinction class labels appropriate to the type of dangerous of hazardous goods. Every package containing a dangerous or hazardous goods shall be display the distinction class label appropriate to this type of dangerous or hazardous goods. In this package of containing goods which represented more than one hazard, such packages shall display distinction labels to indicate the hazards. అంటే ప్రమాదకరం లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు కలిగి ఉన్న ప్రతి ప్యాకేజీ ప్రమాదకరమైన లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువుల రకానికి తగిన విభిన్న తరగతుల లేబుల్ ప్రదర్శిస్తుంది. Every goods carrying foods of dangerous of hazardous nature shall be fitted with a tachograph, an instrument to record the lapse of running time of the motor vehicle, time speed, maintain acceleration and deceleration, etc. and a స్పార్క్ అరెస్టర్. ప్రమాదకరమైన లేదా ప్రమాదకర స్వభావం గల వస్తువులు మోసే ప్రతి వస్తువులు గ్యారేజ్ యొక్క టేకోగ్రఫీ అమర్చాలి. మోటార్ వాహనం నడుస్తున్న సమయాన్ని కోల్పోయే పరికరం సమయం వేగం నిర్వహించమని తరుణం మొదలైన స్పార్క్ అరెస్టర్స్. అంటే ఎవ్రీ గూడ్స్ క్యారింగ్ ఏ గూడ్స్ ఆఫ్ dangerous hazardous materials shall be fitted in the technograph, an instrument referred to the lapse of running time of the motor vehicle, time speed, maintain acceleration and deceleration, etc. and spark arresters are used. Next screen I will share. Next screen. Responsibility of the co-signer for the safe transport of dangerous of hazardous goods. Responsibilities of co-signer. Responsibility of the co-signer for safe transport of dangerous or hazardous goods. Dangerous కానీ ప్రమాదమైన గూడ్స్ కానీ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ పోతే ఎలా సేఫ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ essay. This is the last previous time this is asked for essay. Responsibility of the co-signer for safe transport of dangerous or hazardous goods. Or 5 marks. or 3 marks or 10 marks. This is a commonly asked in 2017, 2018. This question asked. The cosigner has ensured the following points. Cosigner ensure the following points. First point, the goods carries as a valid registration to carry the hazardous goods. గుడ్ క్యారేజ్ అంటే వస్తువులు గ్యారేజ్ ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు తీసుకెళ్లడానికి చెల్లుబాటు అయ్యే రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఉందా లేదా. ద వెహికల్ ఈజ్ ఎక్విప్డ్ విత్ నెసరీ ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ సేఫ్టీ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అండ్ యాంటీడోట్స్ యాజ్ మే బి నెసరీ. ఈ వాహనంలో అవసరమైన ప్రథమ చికిత్స భద్రత పరికరం మరియు విరుగుడు మందులు ఉంటాయి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్. ద వెహికల్ ఈజ్ equipped with necessary first aid compulsory in driver's cabin first aid and safety equipments and antidotes as may be necessary. The transporter or owner of the goods carriage has fulfilled and adequate information about the dangerous or hazardous goods being transported. The transporter or owner of the goods carriage has a full and adequate information about the dangerous or hazardous goods being transported. The driver of the goods carriages is trained in handling the dangerous processes during a transport of such goods. The driver of goods carriage is trained in handling the dangerous process during a transport of such goods. Next one. The driver of the goods carriage is trained in handling the dangerous process during a transport of such goods. The driver of the goods carriage is trained in handling the dangerous processes during a transport of such goods. The driver of the goods carriage is trained in handling the dangerous process during every cosigner shall supply to the owner of the goods carriage full and adequate information about the dangerous or hazardous goods being a transport as to enable such owner its driver. Every cosigner అంటే ప్రతి సరుకు రవాణా వస్తువుల యాజమాన్యం ప్రమాదకరమైన లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువుల గురించి పూర్తి మరియు తగిన సమాచారం సరఫరా చేయాలి. అటువంటి యాజమాన్యం మరియు దాని డ్రైవర్ను ప్రారంభించడానికి రవాణా చేయబడుతుంది. Every cosigner shall supply to the owner of the goods carriages full and adequate information about the dangerous of hazardous goods being transported to be such owner. Next one, to make aware of the safety rules for transportation of hazardous materials. అంటే ప్రమాదకరమైన పదార్థాల రవాణా భద్రత నియమాలను తెలుసుకోవడం. టు మేక్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ ద సేఫ్టీ రూల్స్ ఫర్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ హజార్డస్ మెటీరియల్స్. టు మేక్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ ద రిస్క్ క్రియేటెడ్ బై సచ్ గూడ్స్ టు హెల్త్ ఆర్ సేఫ్టీ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ. అంటే అటువంటి వస్తువుల వల్ల ఆరోగ్యానికి లేదా భద్రత కలిగే నష్టాలు. టు మేక్ ఎ రిస్క్ క్రియేటెడ్ బై సచ్ గూడ్స్ టు హెల్త్ సేఫ్టీ ఆర్ ఎనీ ఫర్ to make aware of a safety rules for transportation of hazardous materials. These are the responsibilities of the cosigner for safe transport dangerous or goods. In exam point of view question, responsibilities of the cosigner for safe transport of dangerous or hazardous goods. These points you wrote exam enough. The cosigner has to answer the following points. These are the following. The goods carriage has a valid registration to carry the hazardous goods. The vehicle is equipped with necessary first aid kit, safety equipments and antidotes as may be necessary. The vehicle is equipped with the transporter owner of the goods carriages shall full and adequate information about the dangerous or hazardous goods being transported. The driver of the goods carriage is trained in handling the dangerous processes during a transport of such goods. These points, every cosigner shall supply to owner of the goods carriage full and adequate information about the dangerous or hazardous goods being transported as enable to such owner its driver. To make aware of the safety rules of transportation of materials and to make aware of the risk created by good to health or safety. Next screen I will share. These are the responsibility of the cosigner for safe transport of dangerous. Compulsory question, hazardous material transport and rules. One damn sure question. This is the asked for 10 marks question or 5 marks question. Next screen I will share you. Wait, next screen. Next, responsibility. Next, responsibility of the transporter or owner goods carriage. Responsibility. Responsibilities means transporter యొక్క బాధ్యత లేదా వస్తువుల యొక్క యజమాని. Transport. Responsibility of the transporter or owner of goods carriages. It shall be the responsibility of the owner or transporter to ensure the following. It shall be the responsibility of the owner or transport to ensure the following. అంటే ఈ కింది వాటిని నిర్దేశించడం యాజమాన్యం లేదా రవాణాదారుడి బాధ్యత వస్తువులు. ఫాలోయింగ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ యొక్క లేదా వస్తువుల యొక్క యాజమాన్యం. రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రాన్స్పోర్టర్ ఆర్ ఓనర్ ఆఫ్ ద గూడ్స్ క్యారీ. It shall be responsibility of the owner or transporter to ensure the following. The goods carriage as a valid registration and permit is a safe for the transportation of a said goods. The goods are the valid registration. The vehicle is equipped with necessary first aid, safety equipment, toolbox and antidote. The owner of the transport should satisfy himself that the information given to the co-signer is a full and accurate. The owner or transporter should satisfy himself and the information given by the co-signer passed the information about the hazardous transportation of the materials. The owner or transporter should ensure that the driver being deputed for transportation is trained to handle and transport such hazardous materials. The transport. This is the owner or transport should ensure the driver being deputed for transportation is trained to handle and transport such a hazardous materials. The owner of the goods carrying a dangerous or hazardous goods and the co-signer such of a goods shall down route of each trip. అంటే సరుకుదారులు ఇచ్చిన సమాచారం పూర్తి మరియు ఖచ్చితమైన యాజమాన్యం లేదా రవాణాదారు తనకు సంతృప్తి పరచాలి. రవాణా కోసం నియమించబడిన డ్రైవర్ అటువంటి ప్రమాదకర పదార్థాలను నిర్వహించడానికి మరియు రవాణానికి యాజమాన్యం లేదా రవాణా నిర్దేశించాలి. ప్రమాదకర లేదా ప్రమాదకరమైన వస్తువులు మోస్తున్న వస్తువులు గ్యారేజ్ యాజమాన్యం మరియు అటువంటి వస్తువుల్ని రవాణా చేసే వారికి ప్రతి ట్రిప్ కు మార్గం అనేది చూపించాలి, మార్గం వేయాలి. This is the responsibility for the transporter or owner of goods carriages. This is the next screen I will share it. Wait. Next screen I will share you. Wait. And the owner of the goods, next continuation. The owner of the goods carriage should ensure the driver holds a driving license as per provisions of Rule 9 of the Center Motor Vehicle Rules. These are the Center Motor Vahanal Nibandhana. Center Motor నిబంధనలోని నిబంధనల ప్రకారం డ్రైవింగ్ లైసెన్స్ కలిగి ఉన్నట్లు వస్తువులు క్యారేజ్ యాజమాన్యం నిర్ధారించారు. And other as per Rule 9, the driver should have ability to read and at least one Indian language specified in 7th schedule of the Constitution and English language. As 9, the driver should have successfully passed a force contact with a transport of hazardous materials. The driver should have successfully passed a force connected with the transport of hazardous materials. అంటే ప్రమాదకర వస్తువుల రవాణా సంబంధించిన కోర్సును డ్రైవర్ విజయవంతంగా సాధించాలి. The driver should have successfully passed a course hazardous with transport of hazardous goods course completed successfully. Responsibility of the driver. Responsibility of the driver. Driver యొక్క responsibilities ఏంటి? Next, it is the responsibility of the driver to keep all information provided to him writing that is in the form of term card, transport emergency card, transport emergency card. Term card means transport emergency card, term card. This is to be kept in the driver cabin and it is available at all times while hazardous material related to be a transferred. Responsibility of the driver. This is the 3 marks question. Write down the responsibility of the driver. It is a responsibility of the driver keep all information provided in writing. In writing, that is in the term card. Term card provided. This is to be kept in the driver cabin and is a valuable and all its time while hazardous materials related to it being a transported. Responsibility of the driver. It is a responsibility of the driver to keep all information provided to him writing, that is in the information term card. Transport emergency card. This is to be kept in the driver cabin and is available at all times while hazardous material related to being transported. These are responsibility of the driver. Next screen I will share you. Driver to be instructed. Driver to be instructed. Driver to be instructed. Wait. Driver to be instructed. Driver to be instruction. Next, the owner of goods, the owner of every goods carriage transporting dangerous of hazardous goods shall ensure to the satisfaction of the consignor that the driver of the goods carriage has received adequate instruction and training to enable to undertake to understand the nature of the goods being transported by him. Transported him, enable to him to understanding the nature of goods being transported by him, the nature of the risk arising of the such goods, precautions be should take while the goods carriage is in motion or stationary, any under the action as to in case of emergency. Driver to be instruction. This solution. Driver to be instruction. ప్రమాదకరం లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు రవాణా చేసే ప్రతి వస్తువులు క్యారేజ్ యాజమాన్యం సరుకు రవాణా చేసే వస్తువులు స్వభావాన్ని అతని ద్వారా స్వభావాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవడం, సరుకులు క్యారేజ్ యొక్క డ్రైవర్ తగిన సూచనలు మరియు శిక్షణ పొందడానికి సరుకు రవాణాదారుడు సంతృప్తికి నిర్ధారిస్తుంది. అటువంటి వస్తువుల నుండి వచ్చే సరుకు రవాణాదారు సంతృప్తికి నిర్ధారిస్తుంది. అటువంటి వస్తువుల నుండి వచ్చే ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు గ్యారేజ్ కదలిక లేదా స్థిరంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు అతను తీసుకోవాల్సిన జాగ్రత్తలు మరియు ఏదైనా అత్యవసర పరిస్థితుల్లో అతను తీసుకోవాల్సిన చర్య. దిస్ ఇస్ ద డ్రైవర్ టు రిపోర్ట్ టు ద పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ అబౌట్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్. Driver to be report to the police station about the accident. Driver to report the police station about the accident. Pramada gurinchi police station. How to complain the police station about the accident. How to explanation. Driver to report the pramadam gurinchi police station ki నివేదించిన driver. Submitted. Driver to report the police station about the accident. The driver of goods carriage transporting any dangerous or hazardous goods shall, on the occurrence of an accident involving any dangerous or hazardous goods transported by his carriage, report for with the nearest police station and also inform the owner of the goods carriage and other transport regarding the accident. అంటే ఏదైనా ప్రమాదకరం లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు రవాణా చేసే వస్తువులు గ్యారేజ్ యొక్క డ్రైవర్ తన గ్యారేజ్ ద్వారా రవాణా చేయడానికి ఏదైనా లేదా ప్రమాదకర వస్తువులు కూడిన ప్రమాదం సంభవించిన సమీప పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ వెంటనే నివేదించడం మరియు వస్తువులు గ్యారేజ్ యాజమాన్యం లేదా రవాణాదారునికి తెలియజేయాలి ప్రమాదానికి సంబంధించి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డ్రైవర్ రిపోర్టెడ్ టు ద అబౌట్ ద పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ అబౌట్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రీన్ ఐ విల్ షేర్. This is the class labels. These are the class labels. These are the class labels. These are the important class labels. In respect of dangerous or hazardous goods specified in below shall to be a class labels, namely in respect of dangerous or hazardous goods specified in below shall be class labels, namely. These are the very important class labels. These are total 15 class labels. This is a hazard material transportation. You find out the identify the label. These are the class labels. First one, explosive label. Explosive label. These are the class labels. This is the in respect of dangerous of hazardous goods specified in below shall be the class labels, namely explosives, flammable gas, non-toxic and non-flammable gases, poisonous gases, flammable liquids, flammable solids, and spontaneous combustible materials, dangerous when wet, oxidizers, organic preoxides, poisonous, poison, infectious substances, radioactive, corrosive, miscellaneous dangerous substances. These are the hazardous substances labels. These are the labels indication the transport vehicles. You see the in our industries or pharma industries or in industries you see the labels in indicated in stick the labels in transportation vehicles in dangerous goods. These labels. These are the 15 class labels. Manner of display of class labels. Manner of display of class labels. The class label shall be positioned that the size of the label is at angle of 45 degrees. The angle of 45 degrees to the vertical, and the size of such label shall not be less than 25 mm. Square which may be divided into two portions. The upper of portion being reserved of the pictorial symbol and the lower of the for the text. These are class labels. అంటే క్లాస్ లేబుల్ నిలువు యొక్క 45 డిగ్రీల కోణంలో ఉంటుంది. మరియు అలాంటి లేబుల్ యొక్క పరిణామం 25 mm చదరపు కంటే తక్కువ ఉండకూడదు. వీటిని రెండు భాగాలు విభజించవచ్చు. ఎగువ సగం భాగం చిత్రశనం మరియు దిగువ సగం పరీక్ష కోసం ప్రత్యేకించి. These are the next screen I will share you. Next screen I will share you. Education qualification of the drivers carrying a dangerous or hazardous goods. The minimum some education. Minimum some education. Some education. Education. Okay, education qualification for wait. Education qualification for driving for carriages carrying dangerous or hazardous goods. One year from the date of commitment of Central Motor Vehicles Amendment. One year from the date of commitment of Central Motor Vehicles Amendment 1993. Any person driving a goods carriages carrying goods dangerous hazardous nature to human life shall, in addition to being the holder of a driving license to drive a transport vehicle, also the ability to read and write at least one Indian language out of those specified in 7th schedule of the Constitution and English, and also possess a certificate having a successfully passed a course consisting of following syllabus and periodically contact with the transport of such goods. అంటే సెంట్రల్ మోటార్ వాహనాలు సవరణ అంటే అమెండ్మెంట్ అంటే సెంట్రల్ మోటార్ వెహికల్స్ అమెండ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1993. The any person driving a goods carriage carrying a goods of dangerous hazardous nature human life in additional to be being a license to driving transport vehicle has a ability to do the right at least to one Indian language. In driver hazardous transport materials driver any right one language out of those seventh schedule of the constitution, and English also possesses a certificate of having a successfully passed a course consisting of following a syllabus and periodically connected with the transport of such goods. These are the next one. Next screen. These are the period of the training in driver. Period of the training in driver. Period of the driver in training. 3 days. Period of the training in 3 days. Place of training at any institution recognized by the state of government. Place of training. These are the defensive training questionnaire, causes of the accidents, accident statistics, drivers personally, fitness, car conditions, barging distance, highway driving, road pedestrians crossing, railway crossing, adapting to weather, head on collision, rear and end collision, night driving, films and discussion. Duration of training and A and B, first and second day. Advanced driving skills and training. Advanced driving skills and training. These are the driving training, period of training. Place of training at any institution recognized by the government. Defensive driving questionnaire, causes of the accident, statistics, drivers personal fitness, car condition, barging distance, highway driving, road pedestrians cross, railway cross, adapting to weather, head on collision, rear end collision, night driving, films and discussion. Duration of training for A and B, first and second day. These are the next screen. Next screen I will share it. License of driving of a motor vehicles. Transporters, how to apply the license of driving of motor vehicles. General, the provisions of subsection of section 3 shall not apply to person while receiving instructions or gaining experience in driving with the objective of presenting himself for test of competence of driving so long. Such a person is the holder of an effective learner's license is issued in the form of 3 driver the vehicle. Such a person is accompanied by the instruction holding an effective driving license to a driver the vehicle and such instruction in sitting in such a position to control or stop the vehicle, and there is a painted in the front and the rear of the vehicle or in a plate or card affixed to the front and the rear the letter L in the red on the white background as under L. Note, the painting on the vehicle or on the plate or card shall not be less than 18 centimeters square and the letter L shall not be less than 10 centimeters higher, 2 centimeters thick, 9 centimeters wide at the bottom. These are the note. The painting of the vehicles are on the plate or card shall not be less than 18 centimeters square and the letter L shall not be less than 10 centimeters high, 2 centimeters thick and 9 centimeters wide at the bottom. These are the license of the driver of motor vehicles. Next screen. Wait, next screen I will share it. Packing, labeling and transport of hazardous waste. Packing, labeling and transport of hazardous wastes. The occupier or operator of a facilities shall ensure that the hazardous waste are packages based on the composition in manner suitable for a handling, storage and transport, and labeling and packing shall be easily visible and be able to withstand physical condition and climatic factors. climatic factors. These are the next one. Packing, labeling, and transport of hazardous waste shall be in accordance with the provisions of the rules made by the central government under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and other guidelines issued for the time to time. Packing, label, and transport of hazardous waste shall be accordance with the provisions of the rules made by the central government under the Act Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and the guidelines issued from the time to time. All hazardous waste container, all hazardous waste container shall be provided with the general label as a given from 8. Given from 8. Form 8. Next one, the occupier shall prepare 6 copies of the manifest in form of 9 comprising of color code indicated below, all 6 copies to be signed by the transporter. Next one, next screen I will share. One. In case of transport of hazardous waste to facilities for treatment, storage, and disposal existing in the state other than state with where hazardous waste are generated, the occupier shall obtain no objection certificate from the State Pollution Control Board or committee of the concerned state or union territory administration where the facilities existing. The occupier shall provided the transporter with relevant information in Form 10 regarding the hazardous nature of the hazard waste and measures to be taken in case of. Next one. Wait. 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 Copy with number color code purpose. Copy 1 white color to indicate to be forwarded by occupier to the State Pollution Board or committee. Copy 2 yellow. This is the copy number with the color coding to be retained by the occupier after taking a signature on inform the transporter and rest of the 4 occupiers to be carried. Carried by the transport. Copy 3 pink to be retained by the operator facilities for the after signature. Copy 4 orange to be returned to the transport by the operator by facility after accepting waste. Copy 5 green to be returned by the operator for the facility to State Pollution Control Board committee after treatment and disposal of wastes. Copy 6 blue to be returned by the operator of the facility to the occupier after the treatment and disposal of wastes. This is the copy 4, copy 5, copy 6. These are the to be done. Next step. This is the occupier shall forwarded copy number 1